Hello. In today's lesson, we will be learning the proper way to format and cite a source utilizing MLA standards. The lesson will go through in-text citations, block quotes, and paraphrasing. But first, we will discuss in-text citations. When citing a source in an essay, in-text citations are necessary to avoid plagiarism. When using a short quote ranging from 3 to 4 sentences, you must insert quotation marks at the beginning and the end of the quote, followed by parentheses that includes the author's last name, followed by the page number of the quote, and then finally a period. In the example, you see both quotation marks at the beginning and the end, then you see parentheses with the author's last name and the page number. The next way to cite a source is through block quotes. Block quotes are utilized for longer quotes ranging from 5 to 8 sentences in length. The quote must start on a new line with a half-inch indent. Furtherly, unlike short in-text citations, block quotes omit quotation marks, but still include the parentheses at the end with the author's last name and page number of the quote. In this quote, you can see that there is half-inch indents on the side. There are no quotation marks at the beginning or in the end, and then it's still followed by the parentheses with the author's last name and the page number. Next, we will discuss paraphrasing. When using a variety of different sources, it is very easy to unintentionally plagiarize when you aren't directly citing the source. To avoid this, you can use paraphrasing. To paraphrase, you must retain the author's meaning, but utilize your own vocabulary and sentence structure. Furtherly, you must still include the author's last name and page number, as well as quotation marks around any phrases directly drawn from the source. Next, I will give you a few questions and you can pause the video to answer them. Now, you will pull out a sheet of paper, and for the 3 examples, you must identify whether it is an in-text citation, block quote, or paraphrasing. After you have completed the task, you will turn it in tomorrow in class. You should pay particular attention to quotation marks, indentation, and the correct citing of the source. This concludes our lesson designed to help you avoid plagiarism by utilizing the MLA formatting of in-text citations, block quotes, and paraphrasing. Save any questions for tomorrow's class session. Thank you.